In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import CSV in ClickUp. If you've got tasks living in a spreadsheet and you're ready to bring them into ClickUp, you're in the right place. Before we begin, make sure your CSV is clean. Include a header row with clear column names like task name, description, due date, and any other fields you plan to map. Save it as a .csv file and keep it handy on your desktop. Start by opening ClickUp and signing into your workspace. Once you're in, look to the top corner of the screen and click your profile icon. From the menu that appears, choose Settings. This takes you to your personal and workspace configuration area. On the left-hand sidebar, find and select Imports, Exports. This is where ClickUp centralizes tools for bringing data in or sending it out. On the Import page, choose Spreadsheet. That option is designed for CSV files and will guide you through the process step by step. Next, you'll be prompted to select the location for your import. Click Select Location and choose exactly where these items should go. In ClickUp, the most precise place is usually a list inside a folder within a space. Picking the correct list now saves time later and keeps your workspace organized. With the location set, add your file. You can drag and drop your CSV into the uploader or click to browse and select it by hand. If your spreadsheet is large, give it a moment to upload. For best results, ensure your dates are consistent, your text columns don't contain stray commas unless they're properly quoted, and your first row has headers. When the file is uploaded, click Continue and review the mapping screen. Match each CSV column to the correct ClickUp field. For example, map your task name column to name, due date to due date, and description to description. If you have custom data that doesn't fit an existing field, you can map it to a new custom field so nothing is lost. Double-check that the system recognizes your delimiter, your date format, and whether the first row is a header. After confirming your mappings and settings, proceed through the prompts and confirm the import. ClickUp will process the file and add the items to the location you selected. You may see a brief progress indicator. When it's done, open the list to verify that everything looks correct. That's it. You've successfully imported your CSV into ClickUp. Consider testing with a small sample first, keeping a backup of your original file and refining your column names for consistent future imports.